Hi there, my name's Toby from What's on Cornwall, and this is a short video tutorial to show you how to embed our widget on your website. To build your own widget, you come to our website and you click the link at the top here, which will take you to our widget builder. First question is, what is a widget? Well, in our case, a widget looks like this, and it allows you to show a list of upcoming events on your website. You can choose exactly what events you show, and you can style the widget so it fits within the style of your website. Here's an example. This is the Bazimva Holiday Cottages website. They have built a page on their website called What's on This Week, and then they've built a widget which is going to show a list of events in Cornwall this week. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, we have to choose what events we show in the widget, and then we're going to go on to style the widget. First of all, you can choose what type of events you want to show, or category. As you select the drop down here, you'll get to see all of the different categories that we have available. You can make this as specific or as general as you want. So for example, you could have athletic events, or you could just leave it as all categories. And in this example, I'm going to leave it at all categories. Next option you have is to show where events are. So if you're a local B&B in Falmouth, you might just want to show events that are coming up in Falmouth. So let's select Falmouth for this demonstration. Alternatively, if you wanted to support a local venue, for example, in Falmouth's case, you might want to choose the Poly in Falmouth. You could just show events that are coming up at that venue, and we've got a list of nearly all the venues in Cornwall on the website. Dates allows you to select when the events are coming up. So you can choose anything from events today to events this month. So let's choose events this month for this demonstration. And the number of items is the number of events that will be listed in your widget. So let's leave that at 5. So step 1 is complete. We have chosen what events we want to show in our widget. You can layer these filters as much as you want, so you can show exactly what events you have on your website. But just bear in mind, the more refined you make the filters, the more the chance that your widget will be empty in the winter if there's no events within that category and the areas that you've selected. So next up, we get to style the widget. This means choosing the colour and title of the widget. At the moment, we've got the title, What's on Cornwall. And as we're a B&B in Falmouth, let's put some text like events near our B&B this month. Style allows you to choose the layout of the widget, and we've got 3 styles to choose from depending on the space that you have available. Let's leave it at compact. I'll show you the others in a second. The width of the widget depends on the space that you have available on your website. All websites are measured in pixels, and you can measure the width of your that you have available using various tools available. I'm going to use a quick screen grab, and I'm just going to measure this space here, and it's 550 pixels wide. So I go back to my widget, and I'm going to select 550 pixels as the width of my widget. All fonts can be grouped into two groups, serif and sans serif, and again this helps match the widget to the design and style of your website. Let's use sans serif. And finally, we've got the colour. You can enter the exact colour code for your website, but for this example I'm just going to choose dark green. When this is all done, you hit give me the code button, and it's going to build your widget for you, showing you an example and providing you with the code. Now don't worry, if you're not happy with the way your widget looks, you can go back and adjust the settings until you're happy with it, and then you can take your code. So here's the widget. You can see it showing a title as we set, events near our B&B this month, and a list of upcoming events in Falmouth. So let's just show you another example of the styles that we have available. The full style also includes a calendar icon and larger images. So you can see here the image has got larger, and we've got a calendar icon in the right hand side here. So this will depend on how much space you have available on the website. This format doesn't work on narrow formats where you're perhaps putting a list of events in a column. So let's just show you a quick example of how you might do that. So If we wanted to put it in a column on the website, so when I say that, I mean perhaps if we wanted to put it in this area down here, we would select a less width so that it would fit, and we would select the text only format, and again hit give me the code, and it's going to rebuild your widget for you. Okay, so you can see how that is a much more compact format. We've dropped the calendar icon and the images, and that would fit quite nicely in this space down here below the navigation, which is a format template that a lot of websites have. So as you can see, the widget is very versatile. You can build it to show exactly what you want to have on your website. Many people also stack the widgets one above the other. And again, when you're ready, just copy and paste this code into your website. You may need to speak to your web developer for assistance doing this, but for most websites built on content management systems, this should be very straightforward. I hope this has helped, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.